Alyssa.
Hi, I'm Nina, and we're going to be showing you around a first-year resident hall.
Welcome to Gannon Hall.
This is the Gannon Lounge, one of the 3 lounges in the Gannon, Lavis and MacKillop resident hall for first-year students.
We have a lot of seating options in the lounge in case you wanted to meet up with friends or study. All of the first-year lounges feature a communal kitchen, a hydration station, and our Gannon Lounge had a ping pong table.
Right now we're on the 2nd floor of Gannon, and we're going to show you our dorm. This is my dorm. All of the dorms in Gannon, Lavis, and MacKillop have very similar layouts. This is what you can expect your dorm to look like as an incoming first-year student.
All of the dorms in GLM come with a dresser, a desk with a chair, and a bed.
We have our own fridge and microwave, but you can also always request one from the school.
Right down the hall is our bathroom. Each hall comes with their own communal bathroom.
In the basement, we have the laundry room. This laundry room is for all the residents in Gannon, Lavis, and MacKillop.
That was a quick tour of a first-year residence hall.
We hope to see you next year.
Bye.
Bye.